In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify fulfillment location 5 minutes. We'll walk through updating your fulfillment location in Shopify so orders route to the right place and shipping details stay accurate. This is helpful if you've opened a new warehouse, moved your office, or started fulfilling from a different store. Have the full street address ready and make sure you have access to your Shopify admin. Start by going to Shopify and opening your admin dashboard in a web browser. From there, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps your store-wide configuration, including where your stock lives and ships from. Inside Settings, find and click on Locations. The Locations page lists every place that can stock inventory or fulfill orders for your store, such as warehouses, retail stores, or third-party fulfillment centers. To add a new place you'll fulfill from, click Add Location. This creates a brand new location record instead of changing an existing one, which is useful when you're transitioning or testing a new address. You'll see a form for the location details. Click on the address section to open the fields you need. Now edit the location address. Enter the location name in a way that's clear to your team, like main warehouse or downtown store. Then fill in the street, city, state or region, postal code and country. Use a real physical address where orders are picked, packed or handed to carriers. This address can affect shipping rates, labels, taxes and pickup availability, so accuracy matters. If there's an optional phone field, include a phone number used at that location for carrier or customer inquiries. Double check spelling, abbreviations and postal codes. Small typos can cause label or delivery issues. If you have multiple locations in the same city, keep names and addresses consistent so staff can easily tell them apart. When everything looks correct, click Save. Shopify will create the location and return you to the Locations page, where you should now see the new entry listed. That confirms the changes in place. From here, any workflows that rely on locations such as stock tracking, local pickup, or shipping label origins can reference this address. A quick tip before you wrap up: if you're transitioning fulfillment to this new place, plan how your team will update inventory counts and route new orders. Keep your old location active until you're sure everything is flowing correctly, then clean up any outdated entries later, and remember you can always come back to locations to edit the address again if something changes.